Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing really well. It's been 1.5 months since we are in India. I cannot believe it. Time is flying already. I don't know when I'm gonna go back. We're thinking probably in January, but I'll keep you guys posted. Right now I'm staying here in Riyadh, but this vlog is all about my trip to Ahmedabad for a few days. We had a really great time in Ahmedabad. I visited my Masi's house and we went to a few places with my cousin and her kid and Zain. We had a really great time, and honestly guys, Ahmedabad chevi maja to kya hi na aave. It's really fun. I grew up in Ahmedabad, so I have a soft corner for Ahmedabad always, and now Ahmedabad has grown so much. There are so many places you can take kids to. You can have fun too. There's so many cafes. It's amazing. But I only went for a few days, so we took kids to the outdoor park, and then also Gujarat's first metro train has started in Ahmedabad. So I took Zain for a train ride. We had a fun, but it was crowded. I found that corner space for they had like tiny little window so he can see outside. It was good, but right now because people wanted to experience metro train, I find that there are more people who are coming for experience and there are less people who's actually traveling through the metro train. But it was still great. So if you live in Ahmedabad, go and enjoy and try it, because it is still a good experience. Watch the full vlog, enjoy with us, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and hit the like button and click on the bell icon as well for the regular notification. And yeah, you guys take care and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye. Okay. Kunj Mama is playing blocks with Zain and Zain wants to shoot Kunj Mama. Is that right, Zain? Yeah! Oh my God. Arch is exercising, I think.
Let me get jump.
Okay.
Daddy, steady.
Very good. Very good.
See me, Kunj Mama.
Oh, see me, Kunj Mama.
Daddy, steady.
Okay, you did a great job. Okay, thank you.
Kunj Mama is trying to make house. Kunj Mama doesn't know how to make house.
Yeah, but efforts are still
Efforts.
Foot. I can broke this house. Like, oh.
Hi, Zain. Hi, Zain. Jeddah. She's very, very tired. Are you tired? Jeddah. Where's Jeddah? Oh. You didn't sleep at night in the afternoon, did you? Let's go. Why are you in night dress? Let's go this way. Yeah, you can go watch fish.
Yeah, bite me.
Yeah, they could bite you, Shona.
That what happened to me. They're my friends.
Are you ready for your first metro ride?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. You silly. Come on, let's go. Kim ready. Yeah, I'm holding you. Don't worry, nothing's gonna happen. Go. Go. Very nice. Hey, Zane. Yeah, this is the door where the train's gonna stop and the doors will open up. They'll open the door for us, Zane. चलो भाभी ये साइड चल रहे हैं See, Zane, this is Ahmedabad. It's Ahmedabad. Nice houses somewhere. Let's go, Zain. We're going nature. ના ના એ મારી ક્યાં છે મેં આપી તમને કોઈને No touching your hand? Why? Are you so big now? You're so big? No, you don't sit, no.